Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure your Chromecast or cast-enabled TV and your sending device are on the same Wi-Fi. Once they share the network, open a cast-capable app like YouTube or the Chrome browser. Tap the cast icon, choose the device name that matches your TV. If you don't see it, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your phone and close any VPNs. This gets discovery started quickly so you can start casting content without delay. Once connected, you control playback from the sending app, press play, pause, and seek as usual. You may need to adjust volume with the TV remote if the app hands audio control to the receiver, otherwise use your phone's volume keys. For screen or tab mirroring from Chrome, pick Cast and then choose the tab or desktop option. This mirrors a browser tab or your whole screen. Make sure to confirm resolution and audio source if the app asks, because that ensures smooth. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose Stop Casting or simply close the app. The stream ends and your TV returns to its input. If something goes wrong, reboot the Chromecast and your router. Power cycling fixes many connectivity issues fast. Also verify both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band, sometimes switching between two. 4 GHz and 5 GHz solves discovery or range problems. If audio lags, reselect the cast device to force a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.